Ready, set, action. All right, today we're gonna bring something super simple. It's a cat camera. Now, I'm gonna set it up on my cat so you guys can see me. I'm gonna feed her on it, but I'm not gonna record too much of it. I'm just gonna show you guys how to use this camera and the intentions of it. Now, it's very popular to actually keep this thing recording all the time and find out her moves and everywhere she goes, because sometimes we can't find her and want to know where she hides. The actual mounting of the actual camera, if you guys can see that, and there it is. Now the camera is very petite. On and off button is right here. To turn it on, you have to hold it down. You hold it down for a couple seconds, it lights up. Now to activate it with your phone or your iPhone, you have to double tap and it starts blinking. That means the Wi-Fi is on. All right, I'm going to turn it off by holding down the button, and all you got to do is just hold down the button and it turns off. Now, very important, this is a 1080 camera. All right, now on the side of the panel, I'm going to show you. I'm going to open it up. All right, on the side you got the type C, you got the micro SD card. Micro SD card is not included, and then you got a reset button. All right, so right now we do have a micro SD card. We're going to record and then we're going to transfer it wirelessly. All right, let me show you the application. All right, so right now we're currently off. You do have the password and you got to set it up through Wi-Fi. All right, so once we go into the application, now you're able to say play and you're able to see it live right from here. Now you can hear pictures, record, and in here, if you guys can see, this part right here is very important. All right, this is where you transfer either from memory card or actually save into directly to your phone or your iPad or your iPhone, where you want. Library, settings, and you could play back on all that stuff. And this is the actual camera that you're looking at right now, and it's live, but it's constantly recorded if you want by just click on it and it automatically starts recording. If your cat's gonna go out for a while, maybe install a SD card to see his actions, maybe get in a fight with another cat, or maybe just see where they actually hide most of the time. So it comes in handy, not only for cats, but they also come for available for dogs too. You want the cookie? Come on, cookie. We're gonna get one of these. I'll let you have one of these, only if you stand still here. Ready? Here you go.